Hi everyone, this is your instructor. I'd like to go over this week's assignments with you and kind of give you an idea about what the theme is. Although it says scientific method and the forces of evolution, I want to give you a little bit of a backdrop of why this topic is important. So the scientific method, as you'll read, is the basis of all science. You know, how we conduct scientific experiments and how we think about science and what we test and what can be tested. And the forces of evolution are essentially forces of nature, if you will, that cause change to happen in all species, from plants to whales. And it is these basic forces that have existed from the earliest evolution of species to today, and we see them happening today as well, particularly with climate change. So you'll learn more about what these forces are, and then also scientific method will give you kind of a backdrop of how we know these things, and what we study and how we can determine how the forces of evolution are impacting species today, even with man-made situations like climate change. Okay, so the assignments are the particular lectures and articles, or at least one article that looks at the two different early perspectives on how species change. And one was inheritance of acquired characteristic, which was by Lamarck, and the other is natural selection. Your discussion is also going to be important and based on how we view these two different models. The inheritance of acquired characteristics is one that was accepted during Lamarck's time, and natural selection is the theory that has been accepted and proven over and over again. So I really want to make sure that you understand the differences between these two when you are composing your discussion post, okay? So also I would remind you to make sure that you look at the requirements for the discussion post and make sure that you are submitting substantial, thoughtful, first post that respond to the discussion prompt. Okay, so make sure you've got that down. If you have any questions, email me, of course, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.